Hello guys and girls, this is a healthy lifestyle channel. I just thought why not to introduce you guys a healthy lifestyle eating. I was wondering if you guys just like to eat healthy things. So I decided to come up with some of my skills, cooking skills. I've been cooking from a long time. It's been already 30 years when I was a student. So I started cooking myself, and I learned many things from from my grandmother, how she used to cook, and I followed the same process. And when I cook myself and when I call my guests to my home or sometime to get together, and people always, they used to tell me, "Oh, you're a very good cook, and why not you make a YouTube channel?" But guys, in the meantime, I just cook a healthy lifestyle things. So in my video, I'm going to show you some chickpeas, healthy chickpeas recipe. Guys, now for this chickpeas curry, you will require 5 to 7 cloves of garlic, one big size of onion, one big size of tomato, either green parsley or coriander leaves, and green chili. Green chili is an optional. If you prefer to eat spicy hot, you can use that. Otherwise, just it's optional. Beside that, I'm going to add 2 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, 3-4 small stick of cinnamon, 2 pieces of Javitri. Javitri is basically nutmeg. If you guys know nutmeg, what it looks like is it's a very small shape of egg, which color looks like a wooden color, and that is called nutmeg. And this is the part of nutmeg, but this is a leaf, not a hard one. This is a leaf of nutmeg. So guys, and of course, beside that, I'm going to add a few cloves, 2 small cardamom, green cardamom, 2 black cardamom or big cardamom, and teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika powder, and salt depends on your taste, so an amount of the food what you are going to cook, so add salt as per your taste. This is chopped 1 whole onion, 1 tomatoes, 5 cloves of garlic, and ginger. Here you go guys, this is the main things we are going to cook today, and it's a chickpeas. I soak it overnight and I boil it for 15 minutes. If you want to cook in the same day, and you just soak it for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can boil it for 30 minutes, and so it will be ready to eat. Now this chickpeas is ready to eat now, and we are going to make chole. It's a chickpeas curry. Now guys, just be ready to watch while I'm cooking this. Now we're ready to cook chickpeas curry, which is also called chole. And so for a healthy things, you would need to cook in healthy cookware. And so I'm using cast iron cookware for this chole. So you heat up your cookware and add a healthy oil. So I'm going to use I'm using this olive oil. So you can use any kind of oil, either olive oil or canola oil or whatever you have, but I prefer to use olive oil or canola oil. Canola oil is the most healthy oil in the world, I believe. So if you guys prefer to use canola oil, so let's heat your oil and then just throw your this thing, cloves, cardamom, all these you can throw it on the oil. And just simmer it for a while. And throw a little bit of ginger, little bit of garlic, but I'm not going to use all amount of garlic and ginger at this time, because we want to eat healthy things, right? So if you want to eat healthy things, you need to get a proper taste, real taste of everything in the curry, you know. So if you fry it everything, then you will not find any taste, and also your nutrition will go away when you fry things. I mean, you don't fry a lot, you know. So why I'm frying this thing is for a little bit taste, you know. Throw this onion. And fry it for a while. Let it be for a minute. Turn to tomato. Now you will add tomato in your frying onion and everything, and just fry it for a minute again, but you will not fry for a long time, because this is a healthy eating. So we are not going to eat taste, you know, some unhealthy things. So we are eating healthy things. That's the reason we are not frying a lot. We are not using a lot of oil. You can use the oil, because oil is not an unhealthy thing, you know. So your body will require oil, acid, everything. Your body will require everything. So you need to check everything in the limitation, you know. So since this is a healthy thing, we are cooking healthy thing. So let it be for a minute again. See guys, now it's already more than 1 minute, and you can see the texture of this tomatoes, onion and everything. It's still healthy. So now I'm going to add salt, paprika, cumin, coriander powder and turmeric powder. So you can add like this and fry it for another 1 minute. It's already 1 minute. You will not fry your spices a lot, because it will burn, and so every ingredient will goes away, and your body will not able to capture any ingredients from that spices. So now time to add your cooked already boiled chickpeas. You can add with this water. Yes, see now. And simmer it for a while, and now it's boiling. Since this is already cooked, and you will need to cook not more than 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to put this garlic and chopped garlic and chopped ginger, because why I'm going to add right now is, when you add this raw garlic and ginger, and you will get all those ingredients, healthy ingredients in garlic and ginger. And so this is the main reason I'm using these raw things while it's boiling now. See? So now when you eat these things, and you will get the real taste of ginger, garlic, onion, tomatoes, and other spices, because they are not overcooked, not over fried, and this will be healthy things. So guys, I'm going to add a little bit water. It's 1.5 cup of water, and you may add cold water or hot water. I'm adding hot water since I boiled this chickpeas, so you will use hot water because it will gives you more taste and everything. So add 1.5 cup water. See, because you have to boil it for now 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes it will be ready to eat, guys. Healthy things. Just now let it cook for 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Welcome back, guys. Now it's been already 10 minutes, and I believe this is cooked now, thoroughly cooked. And see, this is boiling, and see, yeah, it's ready to serve now. So I'm going to serve this thing now. See guys, this is now ready to serve, and just you can garnish with the parsley or coriander leaf. And see, it's look really nice and healthy. The most important thing is healthy, you know. Now it's ready to serve, and you can serve this chickpeas curry with bread, white bread, brown bread, any kinds of bread, or naan bread, or chapati, or rice, whatever you like. It goes very well with any kind of food. Just try it. Just try it. Oh, now my mouth is watering now. I can't wait to eat this thing. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. However, in the future you will see more videos, not only for the food. To be a healthy life, you would need to do other activities as well, despite of food. Food is not only the things that will helps you to stay in fit or healthy, but you will require other activities too. So guys, so watch and wait for my other videos for the healthy life. Thank you guys.